I'm going to show you how to do a paired t-test. So in this example, we have plant height, and we have measured the same individual plants between a series of weeks. But the important thing to notice here is that it is always the same individual. Every row relates to a different individual plant. Therefore, it's the same individuals and it's a paired result because we can compare these two values together. We're not just looking within the whole column. So to carry out a paired t-test, we go to our data and our data analysis tab and look for t-test paired two samples for means and go OK. We then input our range. So our first one will be our week 1. And our second one will be our final week. Sorry, it's not deleting that. Yours should appear blank. It's just because I have used test before. Again, we want our p-value to be 0.05, and I've selected an output range on the sheet. I go OK. What we can judge from here, the most important one is the two-tailed test, because it means we don't care if it's smaller or larger at week 5 than it was at week 1. And this value translates to p is less than 0.001, because as soon as we see a exponential to the minus, it means it's a very, very small number. And for a significance, p is less than 0.05. So in this case, 0.001 is smaller than 0.05. So we can conclude that there is a significant difference in the plant height over the time of the trial.